Kubor naga Khlem jong nong san Hima.
Nakadawa kanan ka jingpan ko ya ka arpo MVA power transformer ha ka shi spotlight pu RKV grid substation hanong pendeng West Khasi Hills kinong Shong jigi artili ki district bakunthop ya ka Eastern West Khasi Hills marka West Khasi Hills district ken hapan sha ya ka jingshong dum Khlem boarding haki Sngi Kynthih ya ka nila pentikinado Rajiv Datta executive engineer West Khasi Hills division MEPDCL nong stan habakran gila patay kubor ha kasngi balang katayo hapo ka Khlem trikam jo ka MEPDCL nong stan Rajiv ulaong makandan ka jingpalip boarding na do ka arpway tarik ubana yayong Nado kapor, kandai baji men step hado, kandai baji men step jang ka arpulai tarik ubna yayong, nakadaw baganon ka jingpun ko ya ka arpo MVA power transformer, haka shi spotlight pu RKV grid substation nong pendeng. Namar kata ya kani ka transformer haban pelip hagi te Sngi Kynthih, nakabanta ban pinbit pinbiang ya ki jingdon kam jang ka te ka transformer. Umtala kerpa di kipat ba nong Shong bikin yai syak lem ha kita Sngi nakabanta ka jingbet jingbiang jong ka boarding habaro artli ki district.
Received from the RE 132 kV grid substation, it is to inform all the general public that there is a major filtration work which is going on in Nong Pendeng. So that major transformer actually it is giving power supply to two districts, majorly the West Khasi Hills district and the Eastern West Khasi Hills district. So the power supply in these two districts will be affected with effect from 9 a.m. of the 21st April 2023 to 9 a.m. of 23rd April 2023. So inconvenience to the general public is highly regretted and we will try our best to complete the work as early as possible. By 9 a.m. they try to complete. Actually it is almost 2 days you can say.